Hi everybody, it's Thursday, so welcome to Try New Things Thursday, and this Thursday we are taking it back to the mom edition. We are exactly 38 weeks pregnant, and we will be delivering via C-section scheduled this coming Monday. So I wanted to do Try New Things Thursday. What the heck should I be packing in my hospital bag? Because last time I was at the hospital, it was probably like 6 years ago, and actually we had both of our children in Michigan. We live in a different state now, and to be honest with you, I think a lot of things change over the years, and I mean the definite, like, the absolute necessities I get, but maybe there are some things that are new that I don't know about. So this is my hospital bag. I'm using my gym bag, first of all, because I like my gym bag. It's one of the Lululemon Giganto gym bags. So here's my bag. And about a month ago, we had some preterm labor. And so I threw a bunch of stuff in here. And to be honest with you, I have not even looked in here since then. So I don't even remember what I've packed. So let's go through it. First things first, I brought, let's see, an outfit to go home in, right? So something warm, because it's still pretty cold. I brought a sweatshirt. I don't know. I guess that's what people would wear home, right? A sweatshirt of some type. And I brought also sweatpants, because if you've ever had a C-section, you want something that's very comfortable around your waist and nothing that's tight. So I bought sweatpants also. Very warm, very soft. If somebody has some like perfect, absolute, amazing pants for a C-section, please let me know, because I would love to get more comfortable pants, right? Also, nursing bras and socks to go home in. Okay, so I also found really long socks. This way. Okay, so these socks are really fuzzy. See, they're super soft. They don't have the grippy things at the bottom, but I figured, I think the hospital will probably give you grippy socks, so can I just put the grippy socks over these awesome long warm socks? Because I'm like the opposite of normal pregnancy. Instead of being like super, super hot, I'm always kind of cold, actually. So I got these socks too. And I also found, actually at Kohl's, I found this pajama gown dress thing. I don't know. It has long sleeves. Everything had a tank top. I wanted long sleeves because I feel like I'm going to be cold for some reason. But it was really difficult to find something like this with long sleeves, and it has buttons on the front. And it's like a gown, like a dress. So I was super, super, and it's really soft. I'm really excited about that because I read something online once about like not wearing hospital gowns, or I don't know, some nurse put something like you don't want to wear the hospital gowns. So I brought this just to get more comfortable. So like this with my really super duper long socks. Also in here is I brought a face cloth towel, because these are to wash my face, I guess, in. I like these towels. They're like from the dollar store, but they're really good. And then I brought a clear bag of a bunch of things that I use daily, like my contacts, my contact solution, some shampoo, some conditioner, Q-tips, eye wipes, extra contacts in case I lose this one or rip one or whatever, chapstick, bobby pins, what's this called, lotion, a shower cap, just in case I don't want to wash my hair, toothpaste, and a toothbrush. I figured those are pretty much the necessities. And this is like a makeup remover wipe thing too. But I like the fact that it's in a clear case. I think I got this from my friend April, this bag. So I got that. And then the one thing I'm really excited about that I've never packed that is definitely a try new things for me is a belly bandit. This is my belly bandit. It's the, I believe it's the bamboo edition. What does it have? Doesn't say. Okay, so I've had 2 C-sections, and that's why I'm scheduled for my 3rd, due to the emergency of my first, and then also because my 2nd came late and had another C-section. So this one is scheduled as the same. But I never heard of these things before, and I've never used one. And I'm really, really excited about it because I hear like these things are amazing. So I found one for, my mom bought it for me for Christmas, and it looks like this. Like that. See? Cool. Right? And it wraps around like that. And it's supposed to help make you feel all together. After a C-section, you kind of feel like if you stand up or you sit up too much, that things might reopen, I guess you could say. And so this is supposed to help with that. And it's also supposed to help shrink everything back down, like your uterus and everything goes back down to size. So I'm super, super excited about this. And I really can't wait to try it for you guys and then tell you how I feel and if I even think it's recommended, because these things are expensive. They're like 60, 70, 80. I mean, they can go up to almost like $100 for these wraps. You can find some that are super cheap, like 20 bucks. Then you can find these other ones, like hospital grade ones, and they're expensive. So I'm really excited about trying that and showing you guys. For baby, I have like just a few things. I have an outfit, a warm fleece outfit because it's still pretty cold, just in case. And then like a cotton outfit for some reason if it's not cold. I have socks, a hat, a lighter hat, and a blanket. And that's it. I don't think I packed anything else. That's like literally everything that's in my bag. And I kind of feel like maybe I should have more. I don't know. And this is the thing. We have about 3 days from when this video is going to come out on Thursday. So if there's something that I'm forgetting, please tell me. Or like your absolute necessity must have in your hospital bag. Put it in the comments below because I would love to know what everyone else has packed or what they wish they would have had. Oh, like someone told me a pillow, right? Okay, so I have one of these boppy things, right? Okay, so it's by the bag, so we'll bring it. But then they want me to bring my pillow that I use for at night. Here's the thing. The pillow I sleep with is one of those memory foam things, and if you have one of those, they're like 4 pounds. Like, they're heavy pillows, and I don't want to feel like I'm checking into the hotel for the weekend. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I don't want to bring bags and bags of stuff. But if you guys really think, yeah, like, no, you're going to want that pillow, bring your pillow. Maybe I should bring that pillow. Obviously, too, my makeup bag, but I use that daily, so that's in the other room. But other than that, oh, and a hairbrush, which is something else I use daily, which is in there. But, like, that's all I have. So am I minimalistic here, or are we good to go? Please let me know. Try new things Thursday. What's in your hospital bag? Help me pack mine because I have 3 days. And if I forgot something, please let me know. We used to live in Michigan. When we had our first 2, we were 3 minutes from the hospital. So Dennis could just run home and run back. Now we live 25 minutes from the hospital, which is not a quick run there, run back. A really other funny point is, like, I have been preparing for months, and I think a lot of women do this, like, what outfit am I going to wear home, and what pictures I want to be taken, you know, and what am I going to look like, and all these things, right? So women put more detail into things. And no joke, Dennis's bag, it's like right, this is Dennis's bag right here. He said he threw like, I don't know, some underwear and socks in, but that's all he has in there because he doesn't really know what t-shirt will be washed or dirty that day, which I think is hilarious because here we are, you know, trying to pack and pick the perfect outfit, and the husbands are like, whatever's clean that day, I'm probably going to grab that. So anyway, kind of hope this was helpful for my moms that are to be. I do have a lot of friends that are expecting also, and some of them are also having C-sections. So I will let you know about the Belly Bandit. I'm really, really excited about it, and let you know my thoughts on it. Leave a comment below of things I needed and I forgot, or your must-haves. And with that, I guess we'll catch you guys next Thursday. Next Thursday, we'll have a little baby joining us. So we'll catch you guys next Thursday.